Hi, I'm Callie, and welcome to Cash with Callie, where we make finance simple, one video at a time. Today, we're taking a deep dive into top 5 investment strategies for beginners. Investing can seem intimidating at first, but with the right approach and a little perseverance, you can turn your financial dreams into reality. Strategy 1. The long-term buy and hold strategy. This strategy is a classic one, particularly suitable for beginners. You start by setting up a brokerage account, allowing you to buy and sell securities like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Then, you research and select investments that you believe in for the long term. Look for companies or funds that have a strong track record and future growth potential. Once you've made your choices, you purchase your chosen securities with the intent to hold onto them for a long time, regardless of market fluctuations. Strategy 2. The dollar cost averaging strategy. The dollar cost averaging strategy involves regularly investing a fixed amount of money, regardless of the market status. First, you decide on an amount you can afford to invest consistently, whether that's monthly, quarterly, or even weekly. Then, you stick to your plan, investing your fixed amount at each interval, regardless of what the market is doing. This strategy can lower your total average cost over time, as you'll purchase more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. Strategy 3. The Dividend Reinvestment strategy. With this strategy, you're investing in dividend-paying companies and then using those dividends to purchase additional shares. Start by researching companies with a history of paying dividends, which are a portion of a company's earnings paid out to shareholders. Then, through your brokerage, choose a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP, that automatically uses your dividends to purchase more shares. Strategy 4. The Growth Investing strategy. Growth investing focuses on companies expected to grow at an above-average rate compared to other companies in the market. You'll want to research and identify companies that show signs of high growth. These could be in sectors like technology or renewable energy. Once you've found promising companies, you invest by purchasing shares, with the expectation of selling them for a profit as the companies grow. Strategy 5. The Index Fund Investing strategy. Index funds are designed to track the performance of a specific market index. They offer diversification and typically have lower fees than actively managed funds. To implement this strategy, you first select an index you're interested in, such as the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq. Then, you find an index fund or ETF that tracks your chosen index and invest by purchasing shares through your brokerage account. Each of these strategies has its benefits and drawbacks, and the best one for you will depend on your individual investment goals and risk tolerance. Remember, investing involves risk, and it's possible to lose money. Always do your research. That's it for today's video on top 5 investment strategies for beginners. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance insights. Until next time.